Welcome back to Wheel and Reveal. Today, we're stepping into the world of German innovation fused with rolling luxury as we explore the all-new BMW Motorhome 2026. This one isn't just a travel machine. It's BMW's boldest attempt to create a moving ultra-lounge, a precision-engineered sanctuary designed for those who expect elegance, performance, and technology woven seamlessly into every inch. So buckle up as we dive straight into this masterpiece. The moment you see the exterior, the signature BMW aggression instantly hits you. Sleek aerodynamic lines stretch across a sculpted body finished in deep metallic alpine blue, while the kidney grille-inspired front fascia glows with adaptive LED light blades that pulse as you approach. The body sits on a reinforced carbon aluminum chassis, keeping the massive structure light, yet unbelievably stable. Large 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels hug the ground with BMW's air-adaptive suspension giving the entire motorhome a floating, poised stance. Automated sliding doors greet you with soft illumination, and flush fold-out steps glide out elegantly. Along the side, frameless panoramic windows run nearly the entire length of the cabin, giving the exterior a futuristic glasshouse feel. The rear is sculpted with bold X-line LED tails wrapping around the corners, and an electric extended storage capsule tucks neatly under the rear panel. Stepping inside feels like walking into a modern BMW lounge rather than a motorhome. The interior is wrapped in merino-leather, soft-touch microfiber, and matte carbon trims. Ambient lighting sweeps across the cabin in soft contours, shifting tones as the scenes change. The mood is refined, quiet, and unmistakably BMW. The floor is heated wood finish composite, resilient yet luxurious, creating a warm foundation beneath your footsteps. The dashboard is a technological marvel. A curved 56-inch BMW UltraVision display stretches across the front, merging your instrument cluster, navigation, cameras, entertainment, and smart home controls into one cinematic panel. Voice commands, gesture controls, and haptic surfaces replace old-school buttons entirely. The steering wheel floats with a square-oval BMW M design, integrating touch-sensitive strips for navigation and cruise controls. Augmented reality driving overlays project onto the massive windshield, guiding the driver effortlessly. Two captain chairs in quilted merino leather swivel, recline and massage, making the cockpit feel like a first-class cabin more than a driver's zone. The kitchen is a compact luxury marvel. Stainless steel induction counters glide out from the wall, disappearing neatly when not in use. A dual-zone smart fridge, whisper-quiet convection oven, and touch panel sink system make cooking effortless. The cabinets, wrapped in high-gloss oak, open with soft-touch sensors, and LED strips illuminate storage spaces automatically. A small dining section with a heated fold-out table sits opposite, perfect for two travelers to enjoy a quiet meal on the road. The bedroom feels like a boutique hotel suite. A floating queen-size bed sits under a wraparound skylight that can be dimmed electronically. Sidewalls house hidden storage panels, and an integrated sound system plays soft ambient soundscapes at night. The bed frame vibrates lightly for relaxation, and climate control keeps the space perfectly cooled or warmed no matter where the road takes you. Soft curtains glide along the rails to ensure total privacy. The compact bathroom is masterfully designed. A rainfall smart shower fits into a corner glass pod with mist and aroma options. The toilet is self-sanitizing, and the sink is a fold-down ceramic panel that maximizes space. Everything is finished with brushed aluminum trims and LED halos, giving even this small area the feel of a high-end spa. The 2026 BMW Motorhome comes with an estimated starting price of $285,000, climbing depending on configurations and custom packages.